Individuals making $75,000 or less will receive $1,200. Married couples making $150,000 or less will receive $2,400, plus $500 per dependent child under 17. If you're the head of the household, individuals making up to $112,500 will receive $1,200, plus $500 per dependent child under 17. Individuals making over $112,500 lose $5 for each $100 they make over the $112,500. To qualify as head of household, you must 1. Not be married, single, divorced, or legally separated. 2. Have paid more than half the cost of keeping up a home for the year. 3. Have a qualifying person that lived with you in that home for more than half of the year. If you find this information helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Anyone with a Social Security number that is not being claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return will qualify for a check within the income limits. This includes U.S. citizens abroad, and permanent residents. The IRS will use your 2019 tax return to determine the amount you will receive. If you have not filed a 2019 tax return, then the IRS will base your stimulus check on your 2018 tax return. If you haven't filed for either, the IRS will use your previous tax information to send you a stimulus check. If you are on Social Security, you will receive a check. If your bank account is listed with the IRS for direct deposit, you will receive your payment directly into your bank account. If banking information has not been set up with the IRS, you will receive a check, which will take a little longer. Individuals who file their 2019 tax returns and have set up direct deposit with the IRS will receive their payment the fastest. Physical checks will take a little bit longer to process. It will take approximately 3 to 4 weeks before the checks begin to be deposited. Most qualified individuals will receive their checks sometime in April of 2020, but it could take as long as May before physical checks arrive.